How to make chocolate macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is a classic meal that almost everyone loves. Its cheesy and gooey taste pleases everyone's taste buds. If you really want to take your mac and cheese up a level and add a sweet twist, instead of just adding cheese, add some chocolate, too. Makes, 10 servings. Bakes, 20 minutes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chopped almonds, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 large eggs, separated, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 pound Elbows macaroni, 8 ounces mascarpone cheese, 2 ounces dark chocolate, melted. Steps: 1. Boil the pasta. Fill a pot with water and place it on your stove top. Pour the macaroni or elbows into the pot and cook per package directions until soft enough to eat. When the pasta has finished cooking, drain it in a colander. 2. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. 3. Whisk the cheese, cocoa, almond extract and egg yolks. In a large bowl, combine the mascarpone cheese, cocoa powder, almond extract, and egg yolks. Do not add the egg whites. It is recommended to use a hand blender or electric mixer for faster and better results. Blend for 8 minutes until the cheese mixture is a light brown and is creamy. 4. Add the macaroni or elbows to the mixture once all the ingredients are blended well. Use a wooden spoon to combine the pasta with the cheese sauce together. Ensure you mix well. All the pasta should be covered with the chocolate cheese sauce. 5. Beat the egg whites and powdered sugar in a separate large bowl. Use a whisk to beat the two ingredients together until it forms soft peaks that are white. 6. Combine the egg whites and sugar with the pasta and sauce mix. Add macaroni mixture to the egg mixtures, not the other way around. Use a wooden spoon to slowly combine the ingredients. 7. Prepare the casserole dish with butter using a pastry brush. Use melted butter for easy spreading. Salted butter is recommended for more flavor. 8. Pour the macaroni into a casserole dish. Scrape all the macaroni and cheese out of the bowl and spread it in your casserole dish using the wooden spoon. Then add the chopped almonds. Sprinkle the chopped almonds over the macaroni, all around so every part can have the full flavor. 9. Bake for 20 minutes. Cover the casserole dish with aluminum foil to prevent the dessert from burning too quickly. Place the casserole dish in the oven and have it bake for 20 minutes or until lightly crisped. 10. Place the casserole dish on a wire rack to cool. Do not slice the chocolate macaroni and cheese when it is hot or you will end up with a chocolate gooey mess. Have it cool for a few minutes so the pasta and cheese can set slightly. 11. Serve and enjoy. Slice a piece of your chocolate macaroni and cheese and serve it on a dessert plate or in a bowl. Add the melted chocolate and spread all over your serving. Pour yourself a cup of cold milk. Enjoy. Tips: For a sweeter twist, use white chocolate chips instead of dark. This recipe can be served either hot or cold. You can substitute the almonds with cashews or peanuts. If you have nut allergies, add crushed graham crackers instead. The topping adds a good crunch to your macaroni, so avoid skipping this step. Warnings: Use caution when placing oven on and removing macaroni from heat. Use an oven mitt and keep your face and skin from the hot temperatures to avoid serious burns. Avoid using sweetened cocoa powder or the macaroni will end up having an overly sugar taste. Things: pot, wooden spoon, stove top, electric or hand blender, oven, 2 large bowls, colander, whisk, casserole dish, pastry brush, serving plate, fork, aluminum foil, slicing knife,